like to keep my metal cutting blades cutting metal, my plastic cutting blades cutting plastic. For my plastic blade, I have a thin kerf AGE by Amana tool. It's a TCG grind plastic cutting blade, 10 inches. It's kind of hard to see. Basically, it's for plastic and it has a 2-degree rake angle. 10 inches, 80 teeth, and this way it stays ultra sharp for cutting plastic. I'm going to go ahead and put that on now. Okay, so I did an honest mistake. I accidentally put the blade on backwards and I didn't catch it. What are you going to do? You know, let's try this again. Because cutting this, I'd much rather cut this than wood, because it's like butter. It just goes right through. It's awesome. That's why I was like cutting this. I'm like, what? Why isn't it going through? Alright. Like I said, like butter. That's why I wanted to run with the vacuum, but like I said, the camera's in the way to get to the vacuum. This way you don't get the rest of the snow. But it's just a nice, smooth cut. It's beautiful. Alright, so there it is. My 25 inches, and now I'm going to continue with everything else I need to do.